The importance of regular car service. Mahindra 2025. Why car service matters. Regular car servicing is essential for keeping your vehicle in optimal condition. Many drivers neglect servicing, thinking it's an unnecessary expense. However, avoiding scheduled maintenance can lead to costly repairs in the long run. A well-maintained car performs better, lasts longer, and ensures safety on the road. Servicing helps identify potential problems before they become serious, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns. Engine health and efficiency. The engine is the heart of any vehicle, and regular servicing ensures it runs smoothly. Over time, engine oil gets contaminated with dirt and debris, reducing its effectiveness. Changing the oil and replacing filters at recommended intervals help in maintaining proper lubrication, preventing excessive wear and tear. A well-serviced engine also improves fuel efficiency, ensuring you get the best mileage from your car. Ignoring engine maintenance can lead to overheating, reduced power, and, in extreme cases, complete engine failure. Brakes and safety checks. Brakes are one of the most critical safety components of a vehicle. Regular servicing includes checking brake pads, discs, and fluid levels to ensure everything is in working order. Worn-out brake pads can reduce stopping power, increasing the risk of accidents. Servicing also includes checking the anti-lock braking system, ABS, and ensuring all safety features are functioning correctly. A well-maintained braking system not only enhances safety but also provides better control and comfort while driving. Tire maintenance and alignment. Tires are the only point of contact between your car and the road, making their maintenance crucial. Uneven tire wear can affect handling and fuel efficiency. Regular servicing includes checking tire pressure, tread depth, and alignment. Proper alignment prevents uneven wear and improves stability, especially at high speeds. Rotating tires at recommended intervals also extends their lifespan. Ignoring tire maintenance can lead to blowouts, poor traction, and an uncomfortable driving experience. Battery and electrical system. A car's electrical system plays a vital role in its overall performance. The battery is the power source for starting the engine and running essential components like lights, wipers, and infotainment systems. Regular servicing ensures the battery terminals are clean, the charge is sufficient, and the alternator is functioning properly. A weak or failing battery can leave you stranded unexpectedly. Checking the entire electrical system, including wiring and fuses, ensures all electronic components work reliably. Cooling system and fluids. The cooling system prevents the engine from overheating, making it a critical part of car maintenance. Regular service checks include inspecting the radiator, coolant levels, and hoses for leaks or blockages. Low coolant levels or a faulty thermostat can lead to overheating, potentially damaging the engine. In addition to the cooling system, servicing involves checking other essential fluids like transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and brake fluid. Keeping all fluids at optimal levels ensures smooth operation and prevents major mechanical issues. Suspension and steering. A well-maintained suspension system provides a comfortable ride by absorbing shocks and vibrations. Regular servicing involves checking shock absorbers, struts, and bushings for wear and tear. The steering system is also inspected to ensure smooth handling and responsiveness. A faulty suspension or steering system can make driving uncomfortable and unsafe. Addressing these issues early can prevent more significant problems and costly repairs in the future. Emissions and environmental impact. Regular car servicing also helps in reducing harmful emissions. A poorly maintained engine burns fuel inefficiently, releasing more pollutants into the environment. Servicing includes checking the exhaust system, catalytic converter, and oxygen sensors to ensure emissions remain within legal limits. Keeping your car in good condition not only benefits your wallet but also contributes to a cleaner environment. Cost savings in the long run. Some car owners avoid servicing due to cost concerns, but in reality, regular maintenance saves money in the long run. Identifying and fixing minor issues early prevents them from developing into expensive repairs. A well-serviced car also retains its resale value better than one with a poor maintenance history. Buyers prefer vehicles with complete service records, making it easier to sell your car at a good price when the time comes. Conclusion: regular car servicing is not just about maintaining performance, it's about safety, efficiency, and long-term savings. From engine health to braking systems and tire maintenance, every aspect of a vehicle benefits from routine service checks. Ignoring maintenance can lead to expensive repairs, poor fuel efficiency, and safety risks. Prioritizing regular servicing ensures your car remains reliable and performs at its best for years to come.